There you are. Come on, keep walking. You're late.
Couple of days in this place, you turned into some clock-watching city boy. What's the urgency?
We need to leave, forever. We've been doing well, making money, but for us all to leave together, we need enough for a boat. Now, I found a friendly ship captain. He's willing to take us to Australia or Tahiti. We just need to pay for passage and give him money for land when we get there. No questions asked. We will disappear, be reborn.
Well, where the hell is Tahiti?
South Pacific, an untouched paradise.
Who lives there?
Tahitians, I guess.
We made a bit of money on that riverboat job, but not enough for us to leave and live peacefully. Where's the rest coming from?
In there.
So we are gonna rob that place.
Well, I didn't think we was fixing the plumbing. I don't know if you have noticed, but we are on the clock. I reckon we got a few days before the Pinkerton show, and then, well, we're done. Now, we need money. Bronte said this place has got money. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a robbery. Behave as I tell you, and none of you will die. Annoy me, and you all will. Now remember, we just want money. Don't make us kill you. Mr. M, leave these fine folks of their valuables. Mr. S, check that room back there.
All right,
I got this one
everything okay?
dying. That's your choice, not mine. Kindly open that gate and let my acquaintance inside.
Okay, give me everything you got. Quick.
Okay.
Open the gate and let my acquaintance.
There's nothing much here.
What?
There's nothing really here.
You're sure?
Yes.
Then get out here and get ready for company. All of you! Behave.
Now
You
don't make
wanna
any
hurt
dumb
any of
moves.
Mr. M, check the safe.
Sure. Open it.
I don't think they keep much cash in there.
Open it! There's almost nothing here.
There should be stacks of cash in there. He told us there was. Look again.
There's no stacks. A few dollars in coins, that's it.
Damn!
We got a problem. There's a ton of cops out there.
Come on now! We got you surrounded!
That greasy son of a bitch! He set us up! You think? This seemed like a good time for sarcasm to you, Arthur.
What we gonna do, gentlemen?
Something! The trolley. The trolley! Follow me, gentlemen! Go! Now!
Does this trolley go to Tahiti?
I hope so! All right, shoot us some space, boys! Look out on the right! Watch those side alleys, Arthur!
We got someone on the balcony, too.
That bastard must have called in every cop in the city.
We got some riders on the left.
Arthur, help Lenny out there! Need you on the left now, Arthur! Come on! Arthur, coming out of the bank on the right! Ah! Bronte is gonna pay for this!
Where do you think?
Outside the saloon! Oh, damn. We are really moving here. Arthur, slow us down. Ah! Slow this thing down!
I'll try. The thing's broke. Hold on! You okay, Dutch?
Sure. Just about.
He's fine.
back up after we get the hell out of here.
Okay, boss, let's move. Eyes up! On the balcony!
This is only gonna end with you dead.
Let's go, Dutch!
All right. Oh, well done, Arthur. Go right. Shoot, Arthur.
What the hell's the holdup?
I'll see you in hell.
You'll regret getting on the wrong side of the law.
Okay, boss, let's move! Riders, watch out! How you doing there, boss?
That's how you want to do it? Let's drill these bastards.
Now's our chance! Let's go!
Keep that wagon intact, okay? We might need it. His hands, right here.
Come on, somebody get this They ain't gonna kill themselves!
Head for that wagon. What are you doing? We gotta move.
You okay, Dutch?
Took a real bang on the head back there. I'm seeing three of everything.
Let's get him!
You stay down. I'll hold them all. Coming from behind you. Get rid of them.
Look! We ain't done yet! We won't stop till you're a whole field. Now more on my right! You okay, Dutch?
Took a real bang. Took a real bang on the head back there. I'm seeing three of everything. You stay down. I'll hold them all. They're chasing us. Take them out.
Looks like they ain't giving up yet.
Why aren't you shooting?
Now more on my right!
Three on the left. They're still coming.
You okay, Dutch?
Took a real bang on the head back there. I'm seeing 3 of everything. You stay down. I'll hold them off. They're chasing us. Take them out.
Look! We ain't done yet!
Stop doubling and get after them. Son of a bitch!
To my right! Shoot him down! Take him out!
Watch out there! Hold them off!
We got more on the right!
Just head straight for the bridge!
Damn! They blocked the road!
Hold on. Use this.
Trying to shoot him! Shit! It's the law! That'll do it!
We're through.
You see any more?
Just keep going, kid. You okay back there? Don't worry about me. Just get us out of here.
I think we're clear.
You know what, Dutch? Next time, let's not damn discretion.
Seemed like a good lead.
I know, but...
Well, we made it. Thanks to you.
Don't mention it.
Yeah.
You're a good kid.
And we each got $15. Oh, and a quarter. Don't forget the quarter.
Shut up, Arthur. He set us up. Played me like a yokel. Put the law on us. What did we do to him? What did I do to him?
I guess he thinks he's the king around here. He don't want the likes of you. So, what are we doing next, Dutch?
We just need money. One more decent take, and we're gone. The bank is our bet. Hosea agrees.
Even after that?
Especially after that. I don't feel so good.
Now you just got a bash on the head.
Come on. I'm taking you back to camp.
Hey, you did real good there, Lenny. Just wish it could have turned out better.
Well, can't win them all.